Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can create this DIY floral embroidery hoop table centerpiece. It's the perfect romantic fall centerpiece. It's super easy to do and super inexpensive. Please stay tuned and watch how I assemble this beautiful masterpiece. Also, don't forget to join my Elegant Creators Academy for free, where you can explore our guide to learn how I build YouTube, guides for Amazon, Facebook, Etsy, DIYs, how to market your business and brands online, and more. Every month, we add a new guide to help you grow your business. You can preview the videos of the guides. Check the Academy link in the description to join for free. Come quickly on here and give everyone a quick shout out and a quick thank you for being a part of the Cricut giveaway live that I hosted recently. Thank you everyone for taking the time to come on, and I just wanted to quickly also congratulate all of the winners. If you were part of the live and you were a winner, we had call out your name. Please don't hesitate to DM me or to send me an inbox on Facebook if you were the chosen winner, so that we can go ahead and get your Cricut shipped out to you. I will be announcing on when I'm going to be doing another Cricut giveaway, so definitely if you are not subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe and be sure to turn on the post notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video and whenever I am going to be announcing a Cricut giveaway. This is the wooden embroidery hoops that I will be using for my video today to create my centerpiece. This centerpiece is going to be easy and fun to do. You know, it's a bit unique, but I thought it would be, you know, a fun project to try. So let's go ahead and get started. Now to start off, I'm going to go ahead and take this wooden candle stick that you see right here. This was already a pre-used wooden stick that I have used for a previous project. I like to recycle things from my previous project and tend to use them for new projects. So we're going to go ahead and take this wooden candlestick and this disc foam, flower foam that you see right here. What I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to create a hole right in the center of my disc. That's the same size of the bottom of my candlestick, okay? Okay, as you can see, I'm done creating the hole at the bottom of my disc. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and glue it onto my wooden plaque. I'm just going to take a little bit of hot glue. You could also use a wooden glue as well to glue it to your plaque. And now you're going to go ahead and take it and glue it right at the center of your plaque like this. And it's going to look something like this once you're done. You know, you choose on which glue you would like to use for this project. Next, I'm going to take my largest wooden embroidery hoop. I'm going to go ahead and glue it right on top of my candlestick. And then I'm going to take one of my kind of like smallest size of my embroidery hoop. I'm going to go ahead and glue it onto my largest embroidery hoop on top like this. Kind of like, not like on top right here, but like on the side, like right here. Okay? And then I'm going to take like my medium size embroidery hoop. I'm going to go ahead and kind of glue it right on top of my smaller embroidery hoop by using my glue gun. So I'm going to take my small embroidery hoop. I'm going to go ahead and glue it on top of here. Quick recommendation, if you guys want a really good glue stick that sticks that bonds together really well. I always use this Gorilla Glue Stick. I think they bond pretty strongly. Although you can spray paint your finished project whatever color you would like, however, I find myself battling between three colors, and that is this beautiful baby pink color you see right here, this white gloss color spray paint, or this gold metallic spray paint. Okay, so I decided to spray paint my piece with the gloss candy pink spray paint, and I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. I really love this color. This color looks absolutely stunning. So I'm glad I went with this option. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and take this pool noodle you see I have right here. I'm gonna cut it into small pieces because that's what I'm gonna use to assemble my flower arrangement. So I'm gonna put a small piece of the pool noodle here, a small piece here, and a small piece here. I'm gonna use a zip tie to keep it into place. Now that I'm all done with the flower arrangement, comment below. Let me know what do you guys think about this beautiful fall slash autumn flower colors. I know it's the time of year for these beautiful colors. So what do you guys think? Comment your thoughts below. I would love to hear them. If you like what you see, don't forget to thumbs up this video and also subscribe to my channel. And any other items that I've used in this video, please be sure to check the link in the description box underneath this video. I appreciate you guys for watching this video today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.